World Mental Health Day is about global health education. It's about raising awareness, and it's about combating social stigma that can be associated with mental health problems. So it's really important that we do raise awareness of mental health issues so that people who are struggling can come forward and get the help that they need.
We are seeing a steady increase in the mental health disorders, which is something that's been recognized by the World Health Organization as well, which identifies that probably depression is going to be the second most common illness by 2020. And that's why there has to be more and more awareness.
Mental health conditions, unlike physical illnesses, often remain untalked about and often go unseen. So therefore it's very important for us to have a day that promotes awareness around the importance of such conditions. In children especially, we emphasize the idea of not only having healthy bodies, but also of having healthy minds. And so this day is of particular importance.
World Mental Health Day is important to me because of how undervalued and stigmatized the idea of mental health is to, I think, the general population. Having a day that's devoted to it, I think, really makes it clear that this is a priority for everyone and that this is something that everyone should be working towards.
For me as a mental health professional, I know that distress can be alleviated and that people can be helped through problems and get back to the point that they want to be at.
A move away from stigma, away from blame, and away from shame. And I think if we have a move away from those, we can promote better communication and we can promote integrated care of young people.
The stigma of the mental health, generally speaking, and what I see often that people even find it difficult to disclose any mental health problems when they go for employment. And people talk a lot about, not disclosing this to be able to get into a job and even to be promoted in their jobs. So this is again something that we need to improve in the country.
My fantasy is I would love for mental health to be given the same priority, the same value, to be on parity with when it comes to medical insurance.